What's the meaning of complementizer? Complementizer. Complementizer.
Complementizer. Complementizer. A complementizer is a type of word that is used to link a dependent clause to an independent clause. It acts as a bridge between the two clauses and helps to clarify the relationship between them. In English, common complementizers include that, if, and whether. Complementizers are important because they help to clarify the grammatical structure of a sentence and make it easier for the reader or listener to understand the meaning being conveyed. Without complementizers, sentences can be ambiguous and difficult to interpret.